I replaced this with this. I got tired of just carrying different things in different bags, so I replaced this with this Skyreach bag here. And there's the RC2 controller. I like that I don't have to take off the thumb screws. I'll just leave them attached. It's the place for the battery, compartment for the drone, and I have cables here that I use for my external microphone. And in this compartment, I have my ND filters. There's a strap in there, spare propellers, and other paraphernalia that came with the Fly Combo kit. So I like this. It's not hard, but it's not something that, whereas if you drop this, it's going to cause any damage to the items inside. It comes with a strap, which I'll attach later. But I really like this, and it's not expensive. Not expensive at all. I believe I paid $29 for it, Amazon. I'll leave a link on the description. And while I like this bag that came with it, I like this much better because I can carry everything. And it's not cramped, it's organized. It even has a handle here.